Hello and welcome back to the new video of the WordPress website migration series. So in this series we discuss all the problems that occur while migrating your WordPress website. If you are facing any issue in website migration, then you can comment down the issue and I will help you out with a new video. You can also contact me personally. I have provided my contact details in the description of the video. So here we first created the complete guide and then we are solving the common issues that occur while exporting and importing your website. So now let's start the video. In this video we will discuss how to fix unable to import error in WordPress while using WP migration plugin. So when we are trying to import the file, we get an error like unable to import, and that error occurs like because of an corrupted file. So this error shows up like this: unable to import, the archive file is corrupted, something like this. So there are basically two reasons for getting this error. One is that there is issue within your WordPress website, and the second is that the issue is in your browser. So we will see how we can fix both of these issues. So here you can see I was exporting the file and it told me that it is 2 GB. So after I closed the pop-up, so here you can see that the export file is 2 GB. So when I downloaded that, you can see it is 221 MB only. So that's how it is corrupted, and when I will upload this 221 MB file in my new website where I want to import it, then it will show me that the file is corrupted. So this is because of an incomplete download basically, which makes the file corrupted. So basically, first of all, you have to make sure that you have downloaded the complete file. So here you can see it is 2 GB and it should be 2 GB in the download folder as well. So the two reasons for that: one is that the issue is within your hosting provider. To fix the issue, you just need to go to your file manager. So here I have the file manager open, and I am currently working on technicalpioneers.com/side menu domain. So for that we will have to go to this domain. So here in the file manager you will see all the domains. Like here you can see all of my domains and subdomains. So the primary domain is within the public HTML folder, which is over here. So here is the primary domain, and the other that are the secondary domains are over here. You can open the files of the domain where you are working on. So I am currently working on a test subdirectory, so let me open that. So here is my subdirectory where I am working on, and you will see WP content folder within your domain files. So you can open that, and here you will see AI1WM backup, and here you will see the file. Like here you can see the 2 GB file, which is the backup file, the export file that we have to download. So we will just right click on it and we will click on download. If the issue is within the website, then you will be able to download this file completely, and if it is still not downloaded completely, then the issue is in your browser. And to fix that, you will have to open a new tab and you will have to download IDM software. So this is the IDM software, the download accelerator. It will download the file faster and completely. You can download this software for free, and it is free for the first 30 days. So you can use this software, and if you want to buy it, you can buy it, and you can download the file using this software, and then you can easily import it, and you can get rid of the problem of facing the corrupt file error. So that's how you can fix this type of error. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. Your engagement not only supports me but also help YouTube recommend my content to more viewers. Thank you for helping me grow. See you next time.